Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Hope you had a very good weekend. Well, we ended up predicting this move up here on Friday with the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow. If you guys can watch the last Bitcoin video, I did. But basically what we're watching for on Friday was a move down here to the bottom. And then I was saying, overall, this weekend is most likely going to be a bullish weekend. We saw the bullish move on Saturday, a little bit of a dip back down to fake people out, and a really nice move up here that I posted to you guys in the Telegram channel. So giving you guys a quick update, we are currently 84 for 84 wins on this channel. We've never lost a crypto trade, and I will show you guys in the second half of this video how to get into this channel over here, as well as how to take every single one of our trades for all these cryptocurrencies over here that we trade. I'll show you that in the second half, but let's keep going here. So the big thing that you guys want to be watching out for today, besides the Cyber Monday deal, which I know a lot of people are asking about, I will share that with you guys in the description. You guys have 48 hours left, and all of our indicators that we use to call exits and make profit in here, they're going up in price. You have 48 hours left. That's it. Okay. What I'm watching for in here is a few lines that we need to draw first. Okay, let's just take this out. I'm going to do this with you guys. I like doing this beforehand, but I'm like, I want to show you guys more of how I'm actually looking at these markets and how we're taking these wins and what I'm looking at as far as exit. So I'm going to take a trend line, pulling this descending resistance, and then there's going to be this basically a descending support line as well. Okay. What I'm watching for here is a couple things. We have this overall pattern on Bitcoin that could absolutely still head down to about 40. No, I'm not. Sorry, I'm going to move this up. Let's be like 52,000. I was going to say like 49, but that's around 50,000. I think right around here, about 52,000, we could actually head back down and test the ascending support line on the overall trend up here. So if you guys take a look at this, we have this touch right here. We have a touch. There's one touch. I'm going to call this a 2 touch, and looking for this possible 3 touch here, which would put us at another drop zone at right around $52,000, and then we could start heading back up after that. Now, it does not have to hit that spot for us to keep going back up, but what I'm looking for is that to be a possible move back down. And so what I'm saying this week, guys, is don't freak out if this starts moving back down. It's totally normal. It would be fine if that happens. Alternatively, if we start moving up here and the price starts moving up here pretty nicely and it breaks this descending resistance line and does something like this and a break and a retest, this could be a very bullish move into December here. So what I'm watching here for the positions that are getting very close to being in the profit, because we have a few of these that are very close to winners, and we're probably going to go 85 for 85 this week pretty easily if we see a little bit of move up here. What I'm watching for is the trend exhaustion to push in the top red section, as well as the well money flow to push up here, and that is where I'm looking for the next drop back down, which would be basically a higher low formation, a low, a high, a higher low formation to another higher high back in the market. That's how we're able to predict these drops, and that's how we were able to predict the pump before we even got into the weekend on Friday, was with the trend exhaustion down here. When we see things happen like this before, where we ended up seeing nice moves back down the market, these kind of not flash crashes, but these nice crash moves, when we push down to the bottom red section, we are seeing pumps back up, and the market's not heading lower than this. This is how we're able to literally predict moves before they happen in the market for moves back up, and especially actually predicting the market drop here at a high was when the well money flow in green and the prices in pink here. Well money flow in green was very high, as well as the trend exhaustion was very high in the red zone here. This is where we're calling out drops, and we're exiting long trades if you guys were following us on this channel, and then we were getting into trades again, such as this one at 60,500. We did not FOMO in because we saw the indicators were telling us we are not going to keep going up. Two best indicators you guys can use for crypto. I've coded indicators for a living. TradingView.com founders of TradingView.com have reached out to me, and they're like, hey, we want to purchase your indicators. I'm like, hey, thank you so much. I'm going to keep it, for our members though. I love the TradingView, but by far the best trading and charting platform in the world for sure. So let's take a look at the metrics now, guys, and get you guys acquainted with these. These are going to be updated at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, as well as the metrics, which I will go over to show you guys how to get into our next trades so you do not miss the next trade win, okay? We're still sitting in this anxious section right here. We're pushing up a little bit into the neutral section. Obviously, that's because we started seeing a little bit of move up here, but I want us to watch this today. I think we're going to probably push up closer to the neutral as we start moving up here. So that's probably what we're going to get as far as a reading, but we're still down here in this more of an anxious, fearful section than we are greedy. I think people aren't as confident. They're like, I know we headed up. A lot of people got into this candle right here, but could we just move right back down? If it does, it wouldn't be surprising to me. I'll just say that, guys. If we move back down here, we simply just hit the bottom of the ascending support, and then that's when we get the pump. I'm still buying, and that's what I want to tell you guys today is get your buy limit set up. Get these trades set up, guys. Don't be sitting on the sideline. This is time to be buying. It's not time to be selling in the market, okay? What we're seeing here is long trades are actually increasing here, and short trades are actually kind of going sideways right now. So this is a little bit of a bullish sentiment in the market that people were buying the dip back down here, and now we're seeing this move back up. And short trades, because we've seen over the last couple of days them go sideways and not necessarily increase like they have here, this is showing me that people going short are a little less confident and people going long are more confident, which is it's basically shifting the balance of trading and the flow of money. More of it is going into long trades. Now, that can shift by big, whales coming in and placing orders and changing this. But what we've seen in the past here is when Bitcoin, as price action goes down and long trades increase, this has been a very big precursor to some very nice moves back up in the market. Price action going down here, and we see long trades increasing, guys. I've been telling this to you guys, like, I know this looked weird here when we started seeing price action move down and long trades move down, but we're starting to see price action move down, long trades enter the market. This is why I've been calling this last pump for the end of the year. We could be heading back up here. It has happened every time. Every time we've seen a nice correlation of a structure move back down in the market here, long trades increase, pump. Structure move down with price action, long trades increase, pump. Down, pump. That is why I'm calling this, okay? I think we have a pump coming, and it is time to set up your buy limit, so do not miss that. Okay, sitting down here, we're in definitely a good and a great long trade territory. So that's why we're setting up long trades, and that's why, obviously, we are in a long trade. Down about 5.17%, not worried whatsoever. We still have 3 buy limits in this. Okay, well, in institutional smart money, you guys want to know what they're doing? They're buying the dip. That's what they always do. They're super smart, guys. They are buying the dip of this. You know when short trades came out, and it was just like ridiculous when we saw this metric? That was exactly at the peak of the market, and they crashed the market, if you will, back down here, and there was really no recovery from this metric coming out. I saw this and I was like, we better exit trades. So we exited quite a few trades up here, and we've been holding a lot of trades in this bear market. But what we have been doing is we've been acquiring more money in each of our coins. We've had 3 buy limits hit on ADA. We've had a couple buy limits hit on other coins here. We are just adding more money to our positions. So when we do head back up, we will be making far more money than we ever would if we just hit 1 buy limit. This is the best way to trade, guys. I promise you. I'll share that in a second. Coming down here, long trades are what's being acquired right now for smart money, and we're going to stay on the side of that and continue to buy, okay? Looking at this here with support and resistance prices, the next resistance is up here at, let's call it $60,000. So $60,000 is right up here at this level. So I do think if we can break above this descending resistance, which is this line right here, break back down and actually get another pump up here, that is definitely likely. And the next resistance I'm looking for is going to be up here, which is right about $66,000. This is the next spot where I'm looking to take profit on this trade and for a lot of our coins. So you guys know that's going to lock in about 10%. 10% is an incredible amount to be able to take out of the market. And then we're going to put a stop loss in here and we're going to ride this up for as high as it wants to go. The biggest Bitcoin trade we took was 32% on this channel. It was great. Look at this, guys. This is telling you, for all of you hodlers out there and diamond hand holders, you want to get into this trade here because this is showing us where great places to dollar cost average in are. Now, do we know when it's going to drop down and head back up? No, you don't. So it is about dollar cost averaging in on the dips here, because you don't know when the market's just going to reverse here like this. And you can be like, no, it's going to keep going down. It's going to keep going down. You save your money here. No, it's actually not bad to get in here, and get in here. And then because you don't know when the market's going to just fly back up. Like I said, a precursor, guys, I do believe we are showing strong signs that we are going to start moving back up here. It's held true every time. If you guys watch the pattern of that, that's why I have the metrics over here, and you guys want your membership to watch this. You guys want to be watching that in the market. Exit points here, looking for the drop down. We got that very nicely. Next time we see a bull market move in here, I'm looking for red bars to come out for exit points, and we will be looking to exit some of our trades. Okay, guys? Still currently in a golden cross here. All right, let's get you guys into the trades here. This is what you guys want to be doing. The profits, you guys have seen all this. Traders doing incredibly well. It's really $61,000 tonight. That's actually not uncommon for this channel. We have a lot of big traders over here. $7,000 here, and so on and so forth. You guys can read these. I want to just get you guys into the profit. So here's what you guys want to do. The membership is $49 a month. You want to come up here and snag this. We are going to be upping the price of this in the Q1 of this next coming year, so 2022, sometime between now and probably March of next year. I'm giving you guys plenty of warning. When you guys do that, I will grandfather all of you guys in so you guys can basically just have this membership for life for $49. Even if it goes to $200 to $300 a month eventually, okay? That will give you access to all the metrics in here that I just showed you for our top 10 coins, and it gives you access, guys, to the Trade Confident live trading lab. We can call it that because it sounds kind of cool. So this is where every single one of our 84 trade calls were made, is on this one single page, and it's under the live trade section here, okay? Here's what you guys are going to do. I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example, but you guys can click into any of our coins, and I highly suggest you guys get your trades set up for all of our coins here, because I do believe we're going to start seeing another move up here. And in a second, I'll show you guys the Cyber Monday sale we have going on. Don't miss that. It's the lowest you'll ever get our indicators ever. Okay, here's what you guys are going to do for all of our coins. If you have $1,000, for example, you can pick whatever amount you want to trade Bitcoin with. You're going to split your trade amount into 4 equal portions. So for $1,000 example, it would be 25% at 250. 25% of your trade allocation is going to go at each buy limit. So $1,000, 250 is going to go here at this price, 250 here, 250 here, 250 here. That's all you guys are going to do. These are meticulously placed in here at Fibonacci retracements, quarters theory, bank levels, whole numbers. I spend so much time on this calculating in these buy limits, guys. Do not miss using these, okay? Don't try to just fake this on your own. There's reasons why you guys have come out and been like, how in the world did you call that drop and a perfect move up on a buy limit? It's because I've been doing this for like over 4,000 hours charting crypto, and so this is why it's very important to have these, okay? Get into the first buy limit, set up your buy limits, and once the first buy limit is hit, keep all of your other buy limits where they're at, and simply just set up your sell limit up here, okay? Once you do that, log into Telegram, sign up for Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then come down here and sign into the Telegram channel. This is where you guys are going to get access literally to like personal one-on-one coaching from me, where I'm giving you guys market updates. I give this market update to you guys here looking for this bull run back up, and I'm going to help you guys exit trades, and I'm going to show you guys how we're taking profits on all these trades. So you can literally have me as a coach. All of my years of experience, you can trade with me. I have my own money in this market, guys, about $50,000. I'm trading with you, and I am serious about trading, and I'm going to keep us profitable because I want to make money myself, okay? So coming back over here, you guys want to sign up for the Telegram channel, come over here and get your membership and set up your buy limits on all of our coins, all right? Cyber Monday sale, here you guys go. It is 83% off, and you guys have 72 hours left, and I'm going to change it today because you only have 48 hours left. You guys will see it in the description, it'll say 48 hours. These prices are all going to go up December 1st at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay? At the end of this month, it ends. We're going to wake up the next day. I'm going to do videos, and I'm going to up the prices, okay? You do not want to miss this because it will never be low. These indicator prices, this bundle pack, will never be lower than 83% again. It is the craziest deal you guys will get, and we are calling all of our pumps in the market and all of our exits in the market with these indicators, okay? The indicators, the metrics, and the risk management are why we've never lost a trade over here, and we're going for 85 for 85 by the end of this week. You guys want to, at minimum, get the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These are the 3 I use. Getting the bundle pack will give you these 3, and then on top of this, it'll give you 6 more indicators that you guys don't even see here on the website, and you guys can take advantage of all those and use them to call pumps, drops, and most importantly, follow me so you guys can understand how we're actually winning every single crypto trade we take. It is probably the biggest boost of confidence you guys will ever have is trading a strategy that we have not lost, and you guys can start making money. Like, we're not only not losing, we're actually making money. And in this bear market cycle, guys, we have done very well. The account is down $100. Literally, I know some people who are trading 50,000 plus, and they're down tens of thousands of dollars because they sold and they bought in at the wrong spots. I'm keeping you guys safe. I'm keeping our money safe. We're about to exit trades in the profit here, and we're going to do very well. And the market is crashing here, and we're still winning trades. There are trades that I haven't been able to get into, like Matic and such like those that are doing really well, just because I'm allocated in different coins. But come in here, and I suggest you guys position yourself into 3 to 4 different coins. My favorite ones right now are Ethereum. They are ADA. I really like actually DOT and EOS. So those are my top 4 picks right now. Come over here, set buy limits up for all of those. If you guys want to know more about EOS, I'll cover that in another video this week. But if you guys were to come over here on the channel and set them up, I would be setting up Ethereum, I'd be setting up ADA, and I'd be setting up DOT. I really like those trade setups, and I would be getting into those because we're going to go 85 for 85 wins, most likely this week. So watch out for that. And make sure you guys get the indicators on sale before they go up up in price, as well as the membership before that goes up in price, guys. Come over here and join us. Let's have a blast trading into the month of December with the holidays. I love the holidays. And then we're going to be trading into 2022 with this system. And we got some fun things planned for you guys in 2022. So let's keep going, guys. God bless you so much. Watch this. If we get up in the top right section of the trend exhaustion, watch that drop back down, guys. These indicators are super powerful. This will most likely show us that we're going to move back down in the market. So watch that. And then once we get back down here to the red zone here, I'll be covering this on this channel. You guys will most likely see this move back up. But if I am not able to cover it and this happens faster, get the indicators so you guys can watch this yourselves, so you guys can predict the moves and make money yourself. We literally had a guy make $20,000 just with the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow indicator. $20,000 in stocks and crypto with just the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow. Do not miss this. You guys definitely want these indicators. All right, guys, God bless you. I'll see you in the next video I come out with today. Bye-bye, guys.